Baby elephants are born with over 35,000 muscles just in their trunks, but they haven't learned to use them yet. A newborn elephant often trips over its own trunk for the first week of life. So much to learn. They have zero control over them at first, even tripping on their own nose. Baby elephants suck their trunks like human babies suck thumbs, for comfort. They have zero control at first, so they accidentally trip over them constantly. At birth, they don't know how to use it yet, so they trip over it constantly while learning. They're born not knowing how to use them. It helps them relax while they learn to use it. Newborns don't know how to use them yet. It takes months to learn to use it. So cute.